And so, yeah, I just restarted a video that I just wrote. So you see that swingy thing over there? Hold on, I can zoom in for you. See the swingy thing right there? The whole thing?
Right over there.
Yeah. There's a wasp nest in it, and he's gonna be my camera guy. And we're gonna go in, and we're gonna see if we can bang it. We used to swing on that. So, yeah, see you there. There.
Okay. So we're about to go over there, right here. I don't know where we're gonna go bang. Yeah, don't worry, I got this. Okay, guys, this is the. Do not do this.
Oh crap, that was crazy, bro. Bro, we shouldn't mess with it. We shouldn't mess with it. That was crazy. We should do that again. Do it again.
Okay.
Where's a huge stick?
Guys, okay.
We're
This, I'm going to use it with the firework little thing but diggy that I found on the ground. It's bad to touch.
Bro.
Did you see me? I'm going to get out of the TV.
Bro, yeah, we're gonna disturb it really. We're gonna disturb it really hard. Oh, that tube just came out. Dang it.
I'm not going to get it. Don't worry,
Bro, they're all flying around. They're all flying around like crazy.
it burns on the ground.
Get that.
No.
I hit it.
I hit it. We did this before, and our limit was like, oh, hold it up like this. Otherwise, it'll be. Hold it up like this. No,
Why?
like hold it up. Just hold it up like this.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, like that.
Why?
Because then it will just be like sideways.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will. It'll be sideways from you. Hey guys,
Okay.
this is one of the weirdest rocks ever. It is like a.
The skinniest rock.
It's
This
like a
is
really
skinniest
good
rock.
skipping rock on the water. In the water. Oh, I am terrible. Huh? I am terrible.
Oh, the two.
1, 2.
There's only two. There's only two of these out right now.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna go back. Oh, the three are out.
Another
Threebies.
goal is to catch a wasp.
Nope, not happening. Nope. Yeah.
No, I said
What are we
that is our goal, but we're not going to do it because it's going to be scary, and other wasps are maybe going to chase us around.
Bro, put your flip flop mic together. Look at my shoes. They look good. They look good, boy.
They look terrible.
They look better than you. They're blue.
Let me ask you one question.
What? Shoes that are way more expensive than those.
Yeah, I don't care. My shoes were 40.
Bro, where's your
Nine.
soccer balls? I
Right
can't.
there. What? Okay, guys. Wait. Let me. There was a kitten over here in this abandoned house.
Yeah,
It
there's
was
two kittens.
haunted.
There's two cans, and it's not haunted.
Yeah, and he said he saw a cat with money. Yeah,
Yeah, he says-
I actually did. I saw like a rubber band around these green things.
That can be anything.
Green paper stacked up.
If you think he's lying, then comment.
Shut up.
And if you think he's not lying, comment. And give us a like and subscribe to us.
You don't have to do that. I don't say that because they don't have to if they don't want to.
By the way, we are the bros.
We're the bros.
Yeah, we're the bros.
Yeah, don't subscribe to his YouTube channel. That sucks.
Subscribe to Barbara Simmons. It will show
No, don't. They have twerking videos and it's freaking weird as all crap.
I know.
Rap battles.
That was my. Okay, they suck. He should still.
Suck, don't
But last time we did it was 7 months ago, so you just don't.
It's a little nice.
The struggle is real. The struggle is real. The struggle is real.
The struggle is real. The struggle is real. The struggle is real.
Saying that I'm gonna kill you with my knife.
I got some of my hyper quicks on.
Okay, guys.
Nike
you're
hyper
gonna
quicks.
follow us to this thing that
Tabby.
Open sesame.
He doesn't want to open it.
The struggle is real.
Stop.
Open sesame. Open sesame.
I thought it was fingerprints. Let's go.
Open sesame.
I know he's down right. You like my tire? You like my place?
Oh yeah.
It's huge. We own this place right there.
There was a door that was unlocked, and I went inside and I looked at it.
We're so
Okay, do it right now.
homeless. We're homeless. I'm gonna play we're not.
Joking, we're not.
You live right there. Right there. Like and subscribe and press the bell if you want a PS3. Stop doing that thing. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
It's my ninja star.
Bro, you went to Chuck E. Cheese the other day and it was crazy.
Yeah, and
I don't understand why, but
party too.
and a party, but I don't know why, but it was like Chuck E. Cheese for 20 minutes and then they left to the party until like 7.
Oh yeah, Chuck E. Cheese had these new things. It's like cards.
Yeah, you use cards now.
Yeah, I like.
You didn't know about it?
No, yeah, I knew about it because I went there. But I didn't.
But did you know about it before?
No, before I went there, no.
Oh.
I hate it now. I hate Chuck E. Cheese now. I don't go to it anymore.
Why do you hate it?
Guys, the card.
Look what he's doing.
Sorry, guys. He was being stupid. Okay, guys. Right down here was
It was a huge ant colony and
You
like
don't know crap because you weren't here.
yes, I saw it once.
There was ants pouring out of
Yeah, there was ants pouring out of it. There was ants up here, down here, all over it.
And there were only ants down here. Yeah.
No, they're crawling over here. You saw some over here.
Only a little bit.
Yeah, you saw some up here and down there.
Yeah, only.
He's scared dog, so you know that.
Shut up.
I was talking about Caleb, not you.
I know. I know you were. I respect Caleb.
He likes sticks. Do-do, do-do. And look, look, we're just doing weird stuff.
Guys, I
right
want to
now.
show you our best friend, Nutty. He is
They named the tree. I know it's weird.
that's a scan. It means he's sick. Stop looking at me.
He's a weirdo. If you know, yes, he is. Yeah. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah. What? Yes. I almost fell just now. I don't need to point at you. Look. It's the cameraman.
Okay, guys, this is our favorite stick. It's part of Nutty, and he broke. That's why he's sick. He has so many
part of Nutty. Yes, it is. That's part of the tree. Remember when I broke it off?
Oh yeah. I remember how I threw your first toe in the tree, huh? And I threw your.
Crap.
Give it to me. Are you starting it? Did you already start it? Did you already start it?
What do you think? Bye guys, hope you like this video.